Hello investors, good early morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is the Morning Stir Market and Resource Rundown for Thursday, September 27th. Stock profit-taking sales continued on Wednesday with follow-through after a break below last week's trading channel support at 1443. Prices closed down 10 points in the E-mini S&P at 1427 on the day yesterday. Dow futures finished down 50 points near the 13,350 level at the close. New multi-year highs were made at 13,588 during the session Friday intraday to put quit profit-taking sales in perspective. Tech stocks led losses again yesterday, down 1%, 26 points at 27.77. This sell-off has been nearly 100 points since the Friday decade-high peak at 28.71. Crude closed below the psychological $90 level to finish down 150 at 89.89. New 6-week lows below last week's depths. Technicians are watching this 90 level as weekly support to get some clues. Long bonds added a point and a half yesterday with another extreme rally to just below 150. This has been 5.5 points in less than 2 weeks, and the yield on the 30 years declined to 280. The euro slid below 129 yesterday to new 2-week lows, leaving the dollar right below the resistance at 80. Gold was down $11 at $17.55. Silver showed strength, up 7 cents in the face of the dollar power to close at $34.02. With a 5-day losing streak in stocks, the longest since July, what's happening this Thursday morning to start things off? Well, we're seeing the euro steady as news from across the pond has dominated this week. It is positive on the morning, up 12 points at 128.82, keeping the dollar below that resistance at 80 that we're keeping an eye on. Crude oil has rebounded nearly $1 to 90.87, up 1%. Watch that $90 a barrel level, which is a pivot point on a yearly basis for some trend clues. Metals are building here with gold up $5 at 17.58. Silver leads up 17 cents at 34.10 after actually closing positive against those headwinds on Wednesday, which shows some inherent strength. Treasury prices are actually down half a point to just under 149.5. The yield on the 10-year note is around 164. So as we get started on this Thursday morning, the E-mini S&P is up 0.5% at +7 at 1434. The August 17th peak at 1425 is support. Dow futures are up 67 points right now, and Nasdaq futures are 14 points higher, but still below 2,800 with an hour to go before the stock market open. So to wrap up the current action, crude's up nearly $1 above 90. Gold is $5 higher, and stock futures are positive after the sell-off, with the E-mini S&P up 7 at 1434. Dow futures at the CME Group are up 67 points and back above 13,400. Please visit our sponsors at morningmarketstir.com for more information on commodities, futures, and options. See you early Friday morning for the Stir in the Markets to set up your trading day. From the CME Group trading floor, it all comes back to commodities.